Good morning, everybody. They said it wasn't possible. Putting Max Tracks onto a van, I've got no place to put it on. I've got a 270, I've got a ensuite on the other side, I've got roof racks, and if you have Toyota Hiace, they are fixed brackets. There is no way that they could say I could put these Max Tracks onto my van. Now, the biggest problem that we realized was this is a heavy van. Let me show you what actually happened with a couple of days of rain, and we got bogged in our own garden. It's just over 100 kilograms of topsoil that we put onto the grass. Doesn't look very much at the moment, but it was pretty deep, and that was a pretty heavy van. 270 awning, can't put it on the sides. There's an ensuite. Here is a fixed bracket. Then we go quite a few meters away. There's the next one. I can't put it on the top. I can't put it on the door. I can't put it on the side. There is no way that I can actually put these Max Tracks on this car. The biggest problem is that we don't really want to use them. But you know what? If we've got them, at least we are safe. And as they say, better safe than sorry. Even the roof racks, it is just too short to be able to put those Max Tracks fittings on here. So I've come up with an ingenious plan, and as we are going to be using this all the way around, and this is going to be our home for a while. So what I've done is I bought a container for the roof. Extra storage, 95 litre. This is a June 4x4. This will now fit on the roof. So let me show you a few things what I've had to do. I have measured the distance on both of them, and I have also measured where the Max Tracks for holes will fit so that I can actually put the fittings onto here. The next thing that I actually have to do is build up a bracket. So what I've done is I've got square tubing, aluminium from Bunnings, of course, nice and light. I was going to use flat bar, but I thought it might just be a little bit too weak. So square bar at the end of the day will definitely be working a lot better. So I've got to drill holes through this case first of all. Then what I've done is I've taken the tape with it. I use this as a template. I put the template onto the metal, and I'm going to drill holes in that as well. You can get yourself these, they're pretty good. Right, wasn't going to bore you with all the details. Cut the holes, drilled the holes, measured Max Tracks. Let's see if it actually works. So the first thing that I need to do there's a hole. There's a hole. And over here, there's a hole. But you can see there's a bit of a spacer, a little bit of a dip there. I need to fix that up. And what I've done is I've got a spacer and some nylon washers as well. First thing I need to do is silicone it so it doesn't leak. So what I've already done is I've taken the square tubing, put ends on it. I've drilled holes in for the max tracks. These are my 2 holes that we will put onto there, but the problem would be is that these bolts will be in the way. So we need to raise it slightly. So what I've done is I've got little spacers like that, like that. And I don't know if these are relevant or not, but these are just silicone. My reason for the nylon washers as well is that I thought maybe it would help with the vibrations. Interesting silicone, but anyway. So right, so now what I'll do is just the last bit. I'm just being overcautious. I don't want any water into this container, even though that there is a little drainage as well. But we thought, well, if we're going to make use of our space, we might as well use it wisely. So the moment of truth, I will tidy up this silicone a little bit later. And all the chalk marks. Right, let's have a quick look if it works. Second one. Twist, twist, and guess what? There you go. If you actually have a look at it, it's pretty aerodynamic as well. Not going to do any lagging on that. There we go. So as I said, I had to raise it, otherwise that bolt over there would be digging into the plastic. That is just touching. So there you go, guys. I put this on the roof now. I've got extra storage. I can put Max Tracks on, and hopefully I'll never have to use them. So that's it on the van. The beauty is that we can just remove it whenever we want to. So out of the way, and we really do hope that we never have to use Max Tracks, but you know what, if you haven't got them and you get stuck, it's a long wait. So of course the only other small little problem now is we need a telescopic ladder. So that's the next thing on the list. But thought I'd just show you guys what I've done. Hopefully it gives some guys some ideas, and you'll be able to do the same if you wish. Please feel free to send me any questions. It works on trial and error, but yeah, I am pretty stoked about that. They said it couldn't be done. Well, there it is on my roof racks. Cheers, guys.